it's about time we load our quiz buckets. Now we need a multiple sign right below here. So put one here. And the first thing we want to do is place the all answer options in a string list. So I'm going to create a variable, Control K, and I'm going to call that variable string list all answers. Hit enter, and I'm going to set the value to this. Now, what I have done here is that I have taken the all answer options, which is an array, and I have put it into a text or a string in such a way that every answer option is separated from each other with a comma. Now, if you can recall, when we were doing a bunch of stuff earlier on, I told you that the comma would be used as a special character in a later part of this code. And this is that point. Now you know why we removed the commas, because we did not want any issues here. Without wasting too much time, I click save and Ctrl S to save. Finally, it's time to load the QuizBucket dictionary. If you go to your arguments section, you would see that QuizBucket is actually a dictionary of integer of string array. So what this means is that the key is going to be a number. For the number, we're going to use the question number. Now we do not have any form of number or any form of index to use as a question number from the JSON response. But we know that our token at every point during this iteration can be indexed. So we can grab an index from here. We can click on the for each and we go to properties and we could grab the index at any point in time during the iteration. So I'm going to create a variable here to grab that index and I call that variable question number and I hit enter. Automatically question number has been created as a variable with a type integer. I pull this down, hit Ctrl S to save, and let's test what this does. So I'm going to take this message box right up here and I'm going to toggle off the breakpoints here. So toggle breakpoint off, and in the message box here I am going to reference my question number. Hit Ctrl S to save, and now I can hit debug. I hit continue. The first token is going to be 0, that's number 0, and the next is going to be 1, and the next is going to be 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till we get to the end. Now you know what this does. So I'm going to click OK and stop. So right now I can delete this message box because I'm done with it. And I head back to my assign here, and over here I can add, make sure that I add it just below. So I'm going to click on it again and add so it comes below, and I'm going to say add, I'm going to say QuizBucket. I'm going to put in bracket the question number, and I'm going to set the value to this, and I hit save. Ctrl S to save, and it's good. For a bit of explanation, what I have done here is I am saying put into the dictionary QuizBucket using the key as using the question number as the key. I am saying put this value. The value is going to be an array of string. The first item in the array is going to be the question. The next item is going to be the string list of answers. And the last item is going to be the correct answer. Now remember, correct answer is an array, and that is why I have put it, I have access index 0, because index 0 is going to be just a string value of one correct answer, which is what I need. String list of answers contain all answer options, both correct and incorrect answers. Hit save, Ctrl S to save, and we are good. Before we hop out, I'm going to put a breakpoint on this log message, toggle breakpoint, and I'm going to test this. So I'm just going to hit the bug, and in my local, I would look for QuizBucket. So this is QuizBucket argument, and if I expand on this, you can see that the dictionary contains 10 items, and we have the key to the dictionary being the question number. So this is question number 0, and this is going to be the values of the dictionary that contain the actual question, the answer options, and the correct answer. And the same goes for the next item, question number 1. We have the actual question, the answer options, and definitely the correct answer over here. Okay, I think there's something I do not like. I do not want my question number to start with 0. So let's go fix this before we hop out of this video. So I'm going to click OK, and I stop. Now to fix this, you're going to expand on this, open expression in editor mode, and over here you want to say question number. You just want to add +1, so it's going to increment it by 1, and you hit save. Ctrl S to save, and we are good. Before you go, I want you to go up here because I told you we need to take off this. This is only for test. So delete this mock, Ctrl S, and we are good.